and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. So right now what you're looking at is a board that I found outside. So I decided to use it for a painting. I wanted to make another glitter painting, and this is inspired, of course, by Z Gallerie, but this one I want to make a little bit different. I want to make it, I have actually fallen for the pink, gold, white look of Z Gallerie, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to incorporate this with pink, white, and gold, and it'll also be very sparkly. Today I'm not going to use glitter. I'm actually going to use glass, German glass glitter, which is super, super just shimmery, way beyond glitter. It's amazing, and you're going to see that today. So anyways, I started doing the sides, but I decided, and we'll go ahead and start recording that. So here we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I already did the sides. I'm just going to go ahead and roll this out. It'll be much easier on me. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump some paint on here. Bring it out. Okay, hello, welcome back. So I've done 2 coats and it's pretty dry, so I am ready to tackle this thing.
Fire it up, that party lighting, make the room fill up with lightning, on the dance floor, no more hiding, everybody get excited. Yeah, we want more. This party's poppin'. Show us your best move. Everyone's watching. It's so electric. Keeps us united. Yeah, you better get excited. Don't let go of this feeling. This is real. We're not dreaming. Keeps us all united. Everybody better get excited. Here we go again, nobody's slowing down, watching the room fill from all around, lost in the moment, lost in the fun sound, reach for the ceiling, then touch the ground, let's turn it up, that party power, setting off a glitter shower, make it rain, rainbow confetti, DJ drop it, and keep it heavy.
Okay, so sorry about that. You missed a tiny hair of a piece. All I did was I took some silver acrylic and I just kind of rubbed it around at the bottom just to add some silver. And now what I'm going to do is I want to add some pink, but I'm going to lighten it up. So I'm going to add a little bit of pink to the bottom. Okay, we're just going to get ready for the glitter now. So let me get my glue ready and then we'll do the glitter. Now I know this painting isn't the most beautiful painting, but the thing is, it's going to be covered with this beautiful, you're going to see the brilliance of glass glitter.